Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Up. I am Rajeshwari here. I hope all of you are fine and all of you are busy in studying your exams. For your exams efforts, my little contribution from my side, I am solving the previous year question papers. I have solved already 24 and 25 questions, Jan, Feb and December. Now we are solving 2022 question. Question number 7. Mr. Rajesh is an employee of HMT Limited, Bangalore. He supplies you the following particulars of his income for the previous year 2021. Basic salary 30,000 per month, dearness allowance 18,000 per month, family allowance 1,800 per month, education allowance for two children at 700 per month per child, city compensation allowance 1,600 per month. House rent allowance 6,000 per month, but he pays 9,000 per month as actual rent. Company has paid his last year income tax amounted to 18,000. Company has paid 20,000 for traveling to and from branches, amount fully utilized. Mr. Rajesh has contributed 14% of his salary towards RPF and equal amount by the company. Interest on RPF is 30,000 at 15% per annum. Compute his salary income for the assessment year 2021-22. Now let us calculate the taxable salary of Mr. Rajesh for the assessment year 2021-22. Previous year is 2021. What is the first information? Basic salary. Basic salary. Basic salary is 30,000 per month. 30,000 into 12. 30,000 into 12. 3,60,000. Then DA 18,000 per month into 12. 18,000 into 12. 2,16,000. Family allowance. Allowance 1,800 per month into 12. 1,800 into 12 is 21,600. Then next we have education allowance. Education allowance. Education allowance is how much? It is 700 per month per child and two children's. Two children's into 12. For education 100 per child up to two children it is exempted. 700 into 2 into 12 is 16,800. From this less exemption 100 per child up to 2 child into 12 months. 100 into 2 into 12. 2,400. Minus 16,800 is 14,400. Then we have city compensation allowance. City compensation allowance 1,600 into 12. 1,600 into 12 is 19,200. Okay. Then next we have HRA. Let us calculate the HRA. HRA, actual HRA received. Actual HRA received is house rent allowance 6,000 per month. 6,000 into 12. 12 6 are 72. 12,000. No, it is 6,000 into 12. 72,000. 72,000. This is actual HRA received. Now less least of the following. First one is actual HRA received 72,000. Second is rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid is how much? 9,000 per month. 9,000 per month is 9,000 into 12. 9,000 into 12. 1,08,000 less 10% of salary. Here you are taking 10% of salary is 3,60,000 plus 2,16,000. 5,76,000. That is basic plus DA. You are taking 10% of that into 10%. 57,600. If you minus 1,08,000 minus 57,600, 50,400. Then third we have, it is which city? You have to check the city. It is Bangalore. So 40% of salary. 40% of salary. 5,76,000 into 40% is 5,76,000 into 40% is 2,30,400. Which is the least one? The least one is 50,400. 50,400. If you minus, you will get HRA. 72,000 minus 50,400. HRA is 21,600 is taxable HRA. HRA. Then next, after HRA we have company is paid is last year income tax. That should be taxable. Company paid income tax. What is the amount? It is 18,000. Then next we have company paid 20,000 traveling expenses. Traveling expenses. It is fully utilized. How much it is? 20,000. Then next we have Mr. Rajesh contributed 14% of his salary towards RPF. So it is, remember, it is most important. It is repeating in all the question paper. Contribution towards RPF up to 12% is exempted. Now on 40%, 5,76,000 into 14% minus 5,76,000 into 12%. Up to 12% is exempted. Whatever above the 12% is taxable. That is another 2% that you need to calculate. Now let us calculate. 5,76,000 into 14% is 80,640 minus 5,76,000 into 12% is 69,120. Now what is the difference? 80,640 minus 69,120. 11,520 is taxable RPF. After RPF, we have interest on RPF 30,000 at 15%. This is 9.5% is exempted. Above 9.5% is taxable. Let us calculate interest on RPF 30,000 into. Now take the difference. What is the percentage? 15% minus 9.5 is exempted. So taxable is 5.5 divided by total percentage 15. 30,000 into 5.5 divided by 15 is 11,000. Like this you can calculate, or else you can calculate 30,000 into 9.5 divided by 15. If you do, you'll get 19,000 minus 30,000, you will get 11,000. Both the way you will get same answers. Whichever is easy you can follow. We have done with the all the transactions whatever given. Let us calculate now gross salary. Gross salary. Gross salary is 3,60,000 plus 2,16,000 plus 21,600, 14,400, 19,200, 21,600, 18,000, 20,000, 11,520 plus 11,000, 7,13,320. Now deductions. Under section 16, first deduction is standard deduction. Under section 16, clause 1A, 50,000 minus 50,000 taxable salary is 6,63,320 is taxable salary. I hope you all understood. Watch this video and practice while watching the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.